This might be a good time to buy some upgrades. So buy upgrades. Who dares summon the Master of Bliss? The penthouse! I knew we'd make it.
Now, where is the man of the hour? Senor Chance Blanco.
You can't get me, freak. My panic room is Deadpool proof. Personal guard. He's bigger than you, badder than you, and he's purpose-built to eat little shits like you for breakfast.
Eat shit for breakfast?
Oh, Daddy, look at the size of that thing.
That's what she said. I wonder if we can even carry that.
Quite unfortunate.
Only one way to find out.
Let's see you dodge these babies. Second gravity. Oh. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Remember, you have a teleporter to dodge those rocket attacks. Can't teleport yet. Maybe now. Why are you letting this terrible thing happen to me? Cha-ching! What is this?
Someone get up to the penthouse and kill this asshole!
Now I have a big gun. Ho ho ho. best video game ever. Oh, we need a vacation.
I don't know what you're after, you masked freak, but you'll never get to me while I'm in this panic room.
I'd like to test that theory.
How much C4 is this gonna take?
It's no more than 20 ounces.
What? Oh, I hate the metric system. How much in American?
Let's see. You carry the 7...
Dude, fuck math. Just use all of it. Oh, yeah! That was awesome!
Told you, 20 ounces. That was pretty sweet, though.
How's that for impenetrable, asshole?
Careful, we still need him alive.
Exactly how alive are we talking?
You're insane!
Not as insane as you think. Yeah, that was fun!
Yeah, it was okay. Well, it's not like we get a do-over on this one. The hell we don't! Now that's what I'm talking about! Peter, my man, you see all that? Buttload of awesomeness.
Deadpool, you idiot! Do you know how much money all those explosions and tacky graphics just cost me? You can't just change whatever you want, whenever
Yeah,
you
that's
want.
great, Peter. Talk to my dick. Hey, where are you a-holes going with my contract?